Hi, this video is about how to file a trademark application in Florida. A trademark is any brand identifier like a name, slogan, logo, or a design. This is not to be confused with copyrights, which are for artistic works like books, pictures, music, song, lyrics. Sometimes trademark and copyrights overlap in terms of logos, and then patents are for inventions. But if you're looking to file a trademark application in Florida, please continue watching because you may not need to file a trademark application in Florida. My name is Melissa and I'm a trademark attorney. I've been an attorney for over 10 years now, and I love helping business owners protect their trademarks and copyrights. You may not need to file a trademark application in Florida because if you file a trademark application with the USPTO for federal trademark rights, you have national exclusive rights to use that mark in any state. So if you're only operating in Florida and you have a business that qualifies as in commerce pursuant to the USPTO's requirements and you receive registration, you have national exclusive rights to use that trademark in any state. So for example, if somebody wanted to use the mark in another state, but you're not physically there yet, you can stop them from using it. So it's a great way to have national exclusive rights. So there are very limited reasons to file a Florida trademark application as opposed to a federal application with the USPTO. And that could be because you can't afford the filing fee with the USPTO, which is $250 or $350 per international class, which is a category. The Florida filing fee is cheaper than that. Another reason could be that your business is not recognized at the federal level as being legal. In the case of cannabis companies, they are not receiving trademark registration where their goods and services are not deemed legal pursuant to federal law. So in that case, they are filing state trademark applications where they can. Other than those reasons, there are very few reasons of why you would want to file a Florida state trademark application. But if you did, you would file it with the Florida Department of State. And if you want to file a federal application, it goes with the United States Patent and Trademark Office. So the steps for filing an application for both are very similar. The main difference is the website and the government office that you file it through. So step one is the trademark clearance search. You want to make sure that the mark that you're using is not too similar to another mark that's out there, because if it is, you could be sued for trademark infringement. And a Google search or a USPTO test database search might not be enough for you to find this out. An attorney is able to find the exact mark that could cause infringement, but also find an attorney that keeps up with the USPTO and federal law and the definitions of likelihood of confusion, because you have to make sure to look for the same mark, but also similar marks that could be confusing to your mark and could cause you your application to get denied, an infringement lawsuit, and if you lose, you could have to rebrand, new domain name, new marketing, new packaging, new customer acquisition. And so a trademark clearance search is really important when you're starting a business, even if you don't do step two, which is a trademark application, because you want to make sure that your company is not going to start up and be open to lawsuits. You want to make sure your company is making money and maximizing its money in the beginning. So do a trademark clearance search, preferably with an attorney who is qualified to determine any risk for infringement. Step two is where you file the application. For a federal trademark application, you would file it with the USPTO. For a state trademark application, you would file it with the Florida Department of State. Both applications are short, but they're intricate. So if you mess up in the beginning, you could have to hire an attorney, and it would cost you and your company a lot more to do that than if you had hired them in the beginning. How much should you save for this? Put away about $2,000 to $3,000 if you want to do this right the first time. The trademark clearance search is about half of that. So I would say that's a good ballpark to budget and to make sure that you are setting up your company for success. If you want to know more, you can check out my website, mdgrlaw.com, and I have a lot of blogs about this. Feel free to reach out to me by putting yourself on my calendar. Thank you.